We're going to prom. This is my date, Caitlin.
True life. We're going
True
to
life.
prom.
We're going to prom. This is my date, Caitlin. She decided to wear a beautiful bob shirt. It's very blacky. It has a gray skirt attached with a white skirt attached. It's very dramatic.
Very dramatic. And this is my date, Michelle. That was my boob meet. It's very beautiful. And she decided to wear a Zoo York shirt and some lovely checkered pants.
And this is my corsage.
Wow, isn't it beautiful? So this is our
ride
for prom. And my battery's dying on my camera. That's pretty sad. Drive, Michelle.
Okay. We need some music on here.
Damn, should he go through that? Damn!